Morning. So I got off work, and by the time I walked home, I just feel a little weird. Like my head started hurting instantly. And I'm like, oh, what is this? Could I be tired? But it felt different from, how I would feel when I'm tired. So I'm like, okay, if this is the onset of a possible cold or anything flu-like, I might as well nip it. So right away, I'm gonna whip up some vitamin C. Um, Here I have orange. This is an orange. I have lemon and ginger. Ginger right here. So I'm gonna whip that up, and I don't want the turmeric to stain the juicer, so I'm gonna put that in after. I'm just gonna use the turmeric powder at this point. So here I go. You can afford to get any cold or any form of sickness. I shall not get sick. Let me mix this turmeric out a little bit more.